Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. I'm trying to help somebody from an email trying to put some text, and I just retyped some text. I didn't want to infringe on their design, their drawing, but they're having trouble putting this text into the circle. And so I've opened up the envelope docker, which is under Effects, Envelope, and then if you pick horizontal, which they were doing, and then click on your eyedropper tool and click and hit apply, it really squishes the bottom and the top two text up too bad. Well, in this case, you would want to pick putty. So we're going to pick putty this time. Click on our item, click on our eyedropper and hit apply, or click inside and then hit apply. And it does it a lot better, but it does angle your text for some reason. But that's very easily fixed, that you could just double click on your text. I'm having a little trouble here. And then just rotate it back to where you kind of want it. You might have to play with that a little bit, get it square, but it'll make the text look a lot better. And it's all in that shape. Now, another thing you could do, let's just back up here. We've got this text. You could, and this is in the center of the page, we could draw a line and hit P on the keyboard and put it in the center of the page. We could go, I don't know how big this is. Let's go, yeah, that's too big. Let's make it a 1 inch. Let's make a duplicate of this line. Control D and then move it up twice. Let's make it up 3 times and move this one down 3 times. Now you have a box. Use your Smart Fill tool to fill this box in. Let's take our Smart Fill away for a second. Left click, no fill, right click, hairline. We can really remove all this, but we don't want to get rid of it completely. Let's put this into the center of the page. Now take your eyedropper tool and this time use horizontal. I don't know that I was clicked on my text. Use horizontal in the eyedropper and then hit apply. And then put that in your center of the page, and we could actually bring our circle back in. Now, you're not going to have text at the top and the bottom, but it would be more uniformed text. It'll be all readable. You can do it either way. I like the putty, the way it goes all the way to the top. Anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit, and thank you for watching.